Hi, my name is Max, and we are Artsim. We enable graph analytics in real time. First time. Hi, my name is Max, and we are Artsim. We enable graph analytics in real time. First time ever. To put this pitch into context, we go top down. Artsim lives in the enterprise software space, more specifically in the database and analytics. Database and analytics is further divided into categories, and we live in the graph category space, the most trending category in database industry. Recently, Graph draws a lot of attention. GraphDB draws a lot of attention. Neo4j, the GraphDB leader, raised a year ago $80 million and is now considered a unicorn. Tiger Graph raised $32 million last July, and the dgraph raised $11 million last September. A lot of action there. So what is GraphDB anyway? So consider your close group of friends. They can be described as a graph, a type of data structure, where objects or nodes are connected through relationship or edges. For instance, if Tom follows Kate, so Tom and Kate are the nodes, and follows is the edge. Graph datasets or GraphDB are everywhere. Everything is connected, besides a social network. Graph powers recommendation engine in e-commerce. Graph are at the heart of fraud and money laundering scheme, logistic, navigation system, and even drug molecules in pharma. Let's focus on one interesting application, e-commerce fraud detection. This is a graph of customers and stores in the world of e-commerce. Customers in yellow and stores in green, and the relationship between them. For simplicity, let's assume that few customers in red are known to be fraudsters. A blue customer on eBay site, click the buy it now. Effective assessment must verify that the that the customer is not related or not connected to any fraudster nearby. And the analysis have to measure the distance over the graph and to assess that there is a minimum distance. We have to do it in real time, otherwise customer may churn, and we have to support thousands of transactions per second. Simply not possible with today's technology. This illustration looks slow and reflects the natural causality of graph analysis. Parallelism fails, no efficient way to divide the work. Graph at speed requires other technique outside the software space. Here's a live demo. We have two machines now in the cloud. Left is Neo4j, the GraphDB leader, and right is Artsim graph processing technology. Both gets the same query or the same task, and both start now. Artsim is done, is the task, and we wait for the leader a little bit. And the leader is done too. So we are 100x faster than the leader. Okay, so how we do this magic? We have two devices, both are in the cloud, CPU and FPGA. On the left, we have graph analytics software, the GraphDB, running on a CPU. Nothing new here. Next is Artsim patented graph processing hardware architecture implemented into the FPGA. And the result is 100 times faster. This is the beauty of domain-specific computing approach. Software experience, hardware speed, and all in cloud. Microsoft and Amazon recently joined the graph game of around 10 players offering pure software implementation. Artsim is the only player to offer a new 100 times or 100x performance class, hence enabling a true real-time graph analytics business. We sell an enterprise license for 100K a year to solution provider in different industries. Artsim GraphDB will be used as part of their solution, typically 5% of the solution price. Market is big as per Gartner. And with Artsim technology, we will make it even bigger, because functionality that was not possible is now possible. And we're starting to see some traction. Tetaray, a leading anti-fraud solution provider, stated recently that Artsim graph technology is promising. We end this speech with the team. We come from the semiconductor industry with years of experience designing chips. We adopted chip technology to the world of graphs. I hope you find this speech interesting, and I hope that soon we find Artsim on this board too. Thank you.